Welcome to CyberrealityX Academy. Today, we're introducing the CRXAI image-to-image visualization model. Ready to revolutionize the way you visualize your ideas? Let's dive in. The visualization model is one of CRX's most powerful image-to-image tools, specifically designed to generate high-quality architectural images from your designs or 3D models. Acting as an AI rendering engine for your architectural projects, this model can be invaluable at any stage of the design process. Whether you're in the early stages, exploring different concepts, or in the final stages, creating polished renders, this tool has you covered. All you need is an image of your project and a simple text prompt to bring your vision to life. The most effective way to use this model is through the desktop application, which offers seamless integration with 3D modeling, BIM, and design tools. If you want to learn more about the desktop app, check out the video link in the description. But for now, we'll be exploring the CRXAI visualization model using the web application. The web version offers nearly the same functionality, with just a few differences in integration options with 3D modeling tools. And again, you can check the video from the link in the description. Okay, now to get started, head to your dashboard and select Visualization. If you look at the toolbar, you'll notice two icons, Reset and Upload Image. Let's go ahead and click on Upload Image to add a screenshot of our 3D concept building design. You can use an image of a 3D model from any modeling software of your choice. For the best results, ensure that your image is clear and that the file size is under 4 megabytes. The image we have here was created using SketchUp. Now let's start by clicking Upload. Next, navigate to the configuration options. Here you'll find a selection of sample prompts under the Basic tab, or you can craft your own custom text prompt using the Expert tab. If you're new to the Visualization AI model, starting with these sample prompts is a great way to start. You'll have a range of options to explore right at your fingertips. Let's start by selecting the bedroom prompt to match our imported 3D model. Now click Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will transform our model into a beautifully rendered image. To save the image to your computer, simply click the download button in the toolbar. If you'd like to enhance the image quality, click on the upscale button for a higher resolution version. Want to see how the AI-generated image compares to the original? Just use the compare button to view them side by side. You can also toggle between the original and AI-generated image by clicking the visibility icon, allowing you to switch back and forth. Now let's click the upscale button to improve the quality of our AI-generated image. This process will take just a few seconds to complete. Click the download button to save the image. Now let's see the results side by side. The CRXAI visualization model was trained on large datasets with highly descriptive captions. To get the best results, make sure your text prompts are detailed. Include everything. Describe the scene, style, materials, lighting, environment, and anything else that will bring your vision to life. Now let's explore the export mode by creating a detailed text prompt. Modern bedroom featuring a leather bed in black, white, and red tones. The bed has sleek lines with a high gloss finish set against a minimalist backdrop. We'll leave the image strength at the default setting of 60%. This setting controls how much the original image influences the final output. A higher image strength makes the generated image look more like the input, while a lower setting allows for more creative changes and variations from the original. Now click Generate. Let's try another text prompt. Photorealistic bedroom featuring a luxurious bed made from gold diamond accents and black leather. High resolution Ultra 8K photography showcasing maximum detail and realism. Cinematic and lighting with soft shadows set in a modern, elegant room, creating a sophisticated ambience. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more exciting content like this. Ready to start creating with CRXAI? Head over to crxai.app and dive into the future of architectural design today.